birthday. Are you riding? Are you riding your Elmo plane? Pretty soon you're gonna be doing it yourself. Good girl. Good girl.
She'll want to do it with you right pretty soon with her own feet.
I love you, little girl. Are you riding? Are you riding your plane?
She thinks she's riding it by herself.
Yay!
Come to your feet.
So your hands on the steering wheel, like this. Put your hands on the steering wheel, and then you can push them.
Good girl! Good girl! Yay!
She really thinks she's a star, doesn't she?
She is a star.
So yeah, it's my birthday. I am the star.
Yeah, she was
Go,
a
Scarlett.
star.
It's your birthday.
Yay!
It's your birthday. We're gonna sip a Bacardi like it's your birthday.